Word recognition. Action words. Action words or action verbs describe something a noun can do. Bend. Let's read it again. Bend. Cook. Let's read it again. Cook. Crawl. Let's read it again. Crawl. Cry. Let's read it again. Cry. Dance. Let's read it again. Dance. Draw. Let's read it again. Draw. Drink. Let's read it again. Drink. Eat. Let's read it again. Eat. Jump. Let's read it again. Jump. Kick. Let's read it again. Kick. Kneel. Let's read it again. Kneel. Laugh. Let's read it again. Laugh. Lift. Let's read it again. Lift. Paint. Let's read it again. Paint. Pull. Let's read it again. Pull. Read. Let's read it again. Read. Run. Let's read it again. Run. Shout. Let's read it again. Shout. Sit. Let's read it again. Sit. Sing. Let's read it again. Sing. Sleep. Let's read it again. Sleep. Smell. Let's read it again. Smell. Swim. Let's read it again. Swim. Play. Let's read it again. Play. Think. Let's read it again. Think. Throw. Let's read it again. Throw. Walk. Let's read it again. walk, ride. Let's read it again. Ride. Listen. Let's read it again. Listen. Climb. Let's read it again. Climb. Clap. Let's read it again. Clap. Hug. Let's read it again. Hug. Fight. Let's read it again. Fight. Study. Let's read it again. Study. Shake. Let's read it again. Shake. Think. Let's read it again. Think. Stand. Let's read it again. Stand. Clean. Let's read it again. Clean. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.